Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Procreate. Today I will be painting some florals. Sometimes I draw inspiration straight from my imagination and I like to create beautiful pieces with a minimal color palette. And today I'll be using the Monoline brush to create a simple, flat piece of illustration. So let's dive into the world of digital floral art. Flowers have always fascinated me. They carry such natural beauty and they evoke various emotions. I often find inspiration in the simplest things, like a walk in the park or even just daydreaming. Today, I got an idea in my head and I'm going to bring it to life using Procreate. For this piece, I'm keeping it simple with a limited color palette. So I have chosen three main colors and I will be choosing random shades based on the three main colors that I have selected for the day. Hope that makes sense. This approach allows me to focus on the shapes and the forms of the flowers, and with the Monoline brush, I can achieve a flat and elegant look. The best thing about working with Procreate is that you can experiment, make mistakes, and you can also refine your art until you're 100% satisfied. It's a perfect canvas for your imagination to run wild. So first things first, I'm going to use the 2B brush or any sketch brush to create a simple sketch of my idea. Earlier, I used to make very rough sketches and then outline them again with more refined lines. But now I'm comfortable drawing refined lines from the start, which saves me a lot of time. However, I want to clarify that this approach isn't suitable for all of my artwork. It's best for simple drawings that don't require too much attention, if you know what I mean. So here's a speed drawing of my sketch. And here's the refined sketch that I'll be painting in. So I'll start with the flat colors and then I'll get to the details by adjusting the brush size. In my previous video, I showed how to create new layers and also use the alpha lock feature. If you haven't watched it yet, please do so. Alpha lock makes adding details to my elements much easier. So finally, here's the completed floral illustration. I'm so in love with the overall look, the elements and the color palette. Super happy with how it turned out. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, Procreate, for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy creating!